Hey guys, I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today we are going to take a look at our bedroom here in the remodel project. This is connected to that bathroom I just shared a few days ago, so stay tuned to check it out. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when our next video is live. All these reveals are coming out from our project that's been taking, I think, about 6 months now. We've been working on this, so it's exciting that we're finally to the reveal phase. And I'm gonna share my finds for this space with you guys. I wanted to do something a little bit different for the nightstands. Usually you're gonna have drawers, most commonly in a side chest, but I love that these are a cabinet. You still have storage in there, and it just has such a fun look. Brings a little bit of like texture and dimension with this door detail. And these are actually a Kirkland's find. I think that they sold out online, but I will link it because if you have a store near you, you can buy them and pick them up in the store. This lamp is so cute. I love these, and the scale, you can kind of see probably with me standing here how huge these lamps are, which is one of the big things that I look for because I like large scale lighting. It just makes a space feel, I feel like, more upscale, and this, you know, just having it make a statement is always good. So these are from Generation Lighting. They have some gorgeous lamps, and these come in other, I think there's a black and then a couple, maybe even other colors too. But such an important piece, I think, for bringing in a little bit of movement with this cool shape. And then this piece, this little fern guy, is a faux, of course, and it is from the Target Studio McGee collection. It's one of the new spring pieces, and I think they're a really good deal. They have two different sizes, and this is the smaller size. It's $15. So I feel like that's a pretty good deal for $15 for a faux plant that comes in a pot. This is from H&M Home. They have really cute stuff. I love the sculptural detail to a lot of their pieces. Gorgeous bedding. I don't know if you guys have tried linen bedding. I love it because it's a little bit cooler. It doesn't feel as heavy as some, and this is from the company store. One thing you will want to know about linen bedding is it does kind of have that crinkle to the fabric. You can steam it, like sometimes I'll just steam it out, but I actually kind of like a little bit of the crinkle because it lets you know it is linen, and so it feels luxurious, has that kind of luxurious feel to it. If you don't like that crinkle, a little bit of a crinkle look to it, you probably don't want to go with linen bedding, but I've been really happy with it. This is a really cute duvet cover that has some texture, and I just used it across the end of the bed. This is from the company store as well. This pillow, I love these long pillows from Winobi Home. They have a bunch of different prints and things, and it just really finishes off the look of the bedding. These pillows are a Euro size. I typically use 3 Euro pillows for a king, 2 for a queen or a full, and they are about 26 by 26 is what that size is. It's pretty common, and you can find those shams most places. These again are from the company store, and this is still the linen bedding. This is the color shale, and I love that as well. Headboard, this is such a cute one. This is sold out right now because when I posted it, you guys bought it up real quick. It is a good one. It's high quality and really pretty detail with this woven stuff. So cute. This is a king size. They have it in queen too. And I think that I'll watch for it to restock, but I'll put the link here so you guys can sign up for the notifications as well. It's not, I wouldn't say it's like inexpensive, but I want to say it was around maybe $1,200. So it was, I think, what you'd kind of expect for a nice quality bed. And we've been really happy with it. Quality's good. I usually do white curtains, you guys, so this was definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. And I would open these, but it's so bright right now. There's so much sunlight that it will just wash everything out. So they are closed, but you can kind of get the feel for them. They're kind of that really pretty sagey, velvet green, and they were from TJ Maxx online. I believe those sold out too. But the curtain rod is one that I can link for you. It's in that satin brass, and I usually do the rings, the curtain rings, because it gives that more custom drapery feel even when the drapes are not custom. So I'll include that for you. But I did want to, you know, really keep this focused on this wall. The mirror there in the center is just a really simple, affordable one from Target. And I thought that that was the perfect little detail to have there and to bring in that round shape to mix kind of with the more of the, like I sometimes talk about mixing when you have a lot of hard edges to bring in something with curved edges like that, like the circular mirror, to soften the look. I love that. This rug is a really pretty one. This is from Boutique Rugs, and it's a great deal too. They usually have a good sale going on, which makes that a great price. I got the largest size. It's about I think it's about an 8 by 10. The bench is really cute one too. This is a Wayfair find, and it's just a woven gray leather. And they have a few different colors in that if you want more of a brown tone or something like that. And it's good because it's not too deep. Like it doesn't block too much of our walkway with having that there. I do love symmetry, so most of the time I do matching nightstands, matching lamps, and then of course our curtains on either side. But I do mix up the accessories that I style with. This is one of the cute new boxes from the Studio McGee collection as well with Target. And I've been happy with this. It's got kind of that leather look, snap, and then the woven, herringbone woven detail. And it comes in a couple sizes, really cute, and it's just like a magnetic closure. So handy for storing remotes and stuff. I always like to have boxes around for tucking away those little items. This bowl is another Target find, and just really simple. It's got a little bit more of a raw shape to it, not perfectly round, which is nice. So it's a good one. This is, I did a lot of Target stuff in here actually, so you're welcome because it's affordable. This is a really cute canvas piece that is a good price and good size. This has those pretty tones like I have in the curtains. There's greens in here, so I love bringing that in. And then just a little bit of that subtle blue. I really like to do neutral tones. I mean, kind of in general, but especially for bedrooms because I just feel like it should be a zen place. If you like the bright colors, that's awesome. And I don't, so there's that. That one maybe was rude. This bench is a look for less that I found. There's actually one on McGee & Co. that is really similar, and I loved it. And then finally, this beauty came out, and I shared it with you guys in my splurge or save finds. If you want to see ways that you can get designer looks for less, go on my Instagram stories. In the highlights, click the splurge/save. Highlight bubble, and there are tons of deals in there that are a high-end look and one that's really similar for less, which is definitely worth checking out. This bench, for instance, was just a fraction of the cost of the designer one, and it's still got this really cute detail here with this like leather look strap on the sides, and then it's nice and big. It's really like a daybed bench, so this could go, if you have a room with a lot of depth, you could use this at the end of a bed. Or you could use it like this, kind of just like as a sitting area type thing, put it in your living room, something like that. It's very flexible, and I just love the wood, the pretty wood frame, and then this little end detail as well here. This throw is from the company store, really cute pattern in that, and I feel like it goes well in almost any space if you want to add a little bit of pattern and texture. The company store here as well with the linen shams. I'm not sure if they still have these, but they have some really cute ones, and I just love the fringe detail. This is a good one, again from Target. I need to get Target to sponsor me. Over on this end, we have this massive tree. This is actually the largest faux tree that I have found, I think ever, in my career of looking for fake trees. It's a ginkgo, a faux ginkgo tree, which who knew that was a thing, but it is. And so I bought it, and it's actually a pretty good price. And also the pot is so cute. This is from Winobi Home. It's that concrete, very minimal, and so it kind of makes it feel a little bit more believable. I should probably fill it with something in there, like rocks or dirt, so that you wouldn't know it's fake. This gorgeous chandelier, I gave you guys a peek of this, again from Generation Lighting. They seriously have some of the most amazing fixtures. This is that very refined, simple look with that I feel is really traditional and timeless and still a little bit modern at the same time in its simplicity. So it's a very, I think, great choice for a room like this. It's still got some size to it, but the simplicity of it keeps it a great option for a lot of different kinds of spaces. We talked about this. If you guys saw the bathroom video, we did take a look at this fun barn door. And what I love is obviously it adds a great detail to this space. It's kind of like an architectural element really. In a room that we really didn't change a whole lot in. We changed the paint and we changed the carpet. When you have just a kind of a blank canvas, adding a detail like this door really takes it from being more of a builder grade to a very customized home. And this, you don't even have to like have custom made. It comes just like this and it fits a standard door opening. And we just took the old door off and we used, well, we didn't, our builder Mike, shout out to Mike with Bear Construction, he's awesome. You literally cannot tell that there was ever a door here. Good job, Mike. I feel like it changed the whole space. Obviously I'm obsessed with the door. All right, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. It comes with the track. I'll move on. These are a new item from Magnolia, well, it's actually Hearth & Hand. That is Joanna Gaines's line for Target. These are so cute. Again, they sold out really quick, but they'll be back. I know because Target, those good selling items, they bring them back. And it has the cute woven door. I feel like they look a lot more expensive than they are. And even the hardware on these is really cute, just a really minimal brass pole. And of course, you can see I put two together here. I love putting two little cabinets together because if you were to buy a piece that was this size, due to the shipping challenges and things like that, they're way more expensive. So you can save a bunch of money if you just put two together. And I think it's pretty darn cute. Way more cost effective and still a really fun look. And then also it gives you the versatility that if you say moved furniture around, you could use these as like a side table or, you know, in an entry or something like where you could use two of them in different places. It kind of just gives you a bunch of options. Some new vases from Target as well. This is new from the Studio McGee line. They have one like this too that I ordered that hasn't come yet. This guy is a mate to that one, or they're a family or whatever, a taller one over there. And so those look really cute together. And then we do have a TV in here in this bedroom because I just like to watch movies in bed. Like, I know you're not really supposed to have a TV in your bedroom, but sometimes you want to watch a movie in bed. This is a bone box, really cute inlaid one with carved wood on top. I kind of like mixing materials with stacked boxes. Just for fun, interest, detail. And then this is another piece from the McGee & Co. Target collection. Really cute, kind of a shallow bowl. So these are great for putting in decor beads or really anything you want. I did do the China White by Benjamin Moore for the walls in here too. Walls, trim, and ceiling. If you watched the other video, I did keep the paint the same throughout this house, both for consistency and cost. I like the minimal look because we have so many different things going on with the vaults in the ceiling. I don't like to draw attention to where those meet. I kind of like your eye to seamlessly travel, and you can still kind of experience the volume ceiling with the light fixtures and other ceiling details I've added in the house, but I like the paint to be just kind of a simple backdrop. And so if you are on a tight budget, I would consider doing that a single paint color rather than you know, doing different trim and all that stuff, because I've been really happy with it actually in this space. I think that it worked really well. And so there's that. The paint video for white colors, white and neutrals are coming soon. I've got to record that, but I've got some good stuff to share with you guys there. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live. Thanks for checking out our room. I've got a little bonus tip for you here at the end. If you made it to the end, you get this special tip from me. When you have a dominant color like matte black, which I used in this space, I used it on the mirror above the bed. So we've got a little bit of that matte black there, and it's kind of like part of what draws your eye because it's the biggest contrast, right? So that matte black against the almost white walls. And then I used it again on the chandelier. And then also, of course, with our door here. And so having that carry through the room, that we have a piece on each, kind of each plane of the room, really helps balance everything. And so I just was thinking about how important that planning and balance is. Like, I didn't feel like this room was complete until we got that door installed, and it really just brought everything together because your eye can kind of follow that highest contrast item throughout the space.